When people take old abandoned brick buildings and convert them into homes with an industrial aesthetic, something magical happens. The space becomes a place full of character, light, and hidden opportunities. It acts as a blank canvas, making everyone who walks through the doors wonder how they can transform the raw, open volumes to reflect their own unique personality. That's why every renovated industrial building that becomes a residence carries a unique story. The homeowner is intimately connected to the thoughts and decisions behind every single brick, exposed beam, and pane of glass. How can we take the grounded nature of a brick home and fuse it with the vital, life-giving architecture of a self-sustaining greenhouse? How do we maintain those iconic multi-pane windows to create beautiful spaces while simultaneously generating our own energy and food? I'm Tim Ung, and this is the design of the Urban Brick Greenhouse Home, an architecture design with a focus on private, introspective spaces. Approaching this home from the street, the architecture is designed to echo the timeless aesthetic of the old industrial brick buildings you find scattered throughout cities across the United States. You immediately recognize the similarities to older manufacturing warehouses, specifically through the implementation of large multi-pane windows and the simple, sharp shadow lines created by projecting brick corbels across the facade. Here's a brief architectural history about this style. Toward the end of the industrial age, before the advent of cheap electrical lighting, daylight factories were the standard way of constructing buildings for mass manufacturing. These massive structures utilized multi-pane steel windows that flooded the interior with natural light. This was critical to help sewing companies, machinists, and craftsmen see their detailed work clearly throughout the long day. Today, visionary developers and homeowners have converted these brick buildings into beautiful, sprawling lofts globally recognized for their endless natural light, concrete floors, and exposed systems. We wanted to capture that spirit. At the front of this property, the home features a covered parking area defined by heavy, traditional brick arched openings. From this parking threshold, a beautifully hardscape path branches in two directions, one leading directly into the formal front entrance and the other extending to an outdoor stone patio nestled right next to the greenhouse. If we elevate our perspective and look at this home from above, you can see how the architecture is strategically layered into three distinct zones. There's a heavy two-story brick mass at the front where the main entrance and a private office are located. In the center, there's a low single-story glass volume containing the greenhouse, kitchen, and dining area. Finally, anchoring the back of the property is another solid two-story brick mass where all the private bedrooms and bathrooms are located. By separating the two-story brick masses with the single-story greenhouse, we create an architectural opportunity, a fully usable, elevated roof deck. You can walk out of your second-floor office, step into the sun, enjoy the cross breeze, and walk across the roof of the greenhouse to reach your bedroom after a late night of working. This simple design feature creates outdoor lounge areas, a beautiful small roof garden situated over the covered parking area, and provides an incredibly safe, accessible way to physically clean and maintain the skylight over the greenhouse. It's a sprawling, elevated space where the family can lounge outside, completely removed from the noise of the street. And over both of the two-story brick roofs, there are south-facing solar arrays that generate clean energy to power the home. Before we step inside and experience the interior, let's take a look at how this home is organized in a floor plan. This property is significantly larger than most of my designs, featuring a sprawling 2,700 square foot conditioned living area paired perfectly with a 400 square foot attached architectural greenhouse. The home includes 4 large bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. On the ground floor, the sequence begins with a covered parking area leading to the formal entrance foyer and a living room at the front of the home. As we move toward the back of the property, we pass directly through the lush greenhouse to the open concept kitchen and dining area, and finally enter the private rear wing containing 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a dedicated utility room. Moving up to the second floor, the rear wing holds 2 additional large bedrooms and a shared full bathroom, while the front wing contains the private office. Immediately to the right of the entrance is the primary living room. It's separated from the bustling, active spaces of the home. This entire house is designed around a concept of introspection. For many of us, introspection is done best in intimately sized, acoustically quiet spaces where we can simply be alone with our thoughts. This living room is the perfect place to sit quietly and reflect, read a book by the window, or take a peaceful afternoon nap. If we continue walking deeper into the home, we pass through a set of glass double French doors that lead directly into the beating heart of the property, the greenhouse. This features a large high-density hydroponic shelving system. Because the space is at a premium, the massive shelves slide seamlessly onto a heavy-duty steel floor track. The family can simply turn a wheel to slide the racks apart, opening a walking aisle exactly where they need to harvest fresh produce for the day. Any excess yield can be harvested, cleaned, and stored on open shelving distributed throughout the entire greenhouse. To make this space breathe, we rely on passive engineering. There are massive sliding glass doors on both sides of the greenhouse that can be opened to let in fresh, oxygen-rich air. During the summer seasons, the skylight above features an automated ridge vent. Tied to smart sensors, it opens automatically based on the internal temperature and humidity. The scorching hot air naturally rises and exhausts out the roof, creating a negative pressure vacuum that pulls cooler air in through the side doors. If the passive systems aren't enough, the greenhouse is fully integrated into the home's deep earth geothermal heating and cooling system to maintain the set point required by the plants. Directly on the opposite side of the greenhouse sits the dining room and kitchen. The dining area is anchored by a large wood table with comfortable seating for 6, illuminated by a beautiful contemporary pendant light suspended over the center. It sits right next to a multi-pane window that lets in incredible amounts of natural light. During sunny days, automated smart blinds can be lowered to physically filter and diffuse the harsh rays into a soft, warm, golden glow that illuminates the entire room. The kitchen itself revolves around a center island wrapped in earth-tone quartz countertops. We also designed a beautiful open shelving pantry system on the wall directly behind the kitchen island. It acts as a functional display for the vibrant produce harvested from the garden. Because these culinary areas share immediate access to the greenhouse, the workflow is incredible. It makes it easy to walk out, harvest organic vegetables, and prepare them on the island seconds later. As we enter the brick wing at the rear of the home, we transition into the private quarters. In every home I design, I believe in universal design, architecture that adapts to us as our physical needs change. On the ground floor, one of the bedrooms is a fully accessible primary suite. It features an attached private bathroom equipped with grab bars seamlessly integrated at the toilet and a zero-entry shower. There's also a built-in shower seat and a roll-under vanity sink, ensuring that anyone can use the space with dignity. If we head upstairs, step out onto the elevated roof deck, and cross the bridge back to the front of the home, we arrive at the private office. This is where I would spend most of my days working on architectural projects like this one. I love waking up and working early in the quiet hours of the morning, so having a completely separate, acoustically isolated office space is critical to avoid waking anyone while I work. By combining a grounded material like brick with the life-giving, sustainable technology of a modern greenhouse, we can create a home that protects our peace while sustaining our future. And that is the design of the urban brick greenhouse home. I hope this project challenged your perspective on what our homes can become. Please consider subscribing for more architecture design ideas like this one, and I'll see you in the next project.